I'm about to pop a wheelie. I'm practicing my wheelies before St. Louis meetup. Holy shit! I just set down my first 150 mile an hour wheelie on the H2. I hit full boost in third, and I shifted it to fourth, and it just stayed up. Holy shit! That was awesome! Dude, I'm killing the wheelies on this thing, man! That was my first, like, dope. That was the dopest wheelie I've ever done on the H2. Hands down, dude. It's so crazy how slow 80 is. Like 80 miles per hour feels like 10 miles an hour to me. Like I literally drag my feet on the pavement at 80. To the next meetup spot. I'm fucking exhausted. I think I'm honestly gonna park the bike and take a nap. I really hope no one's there yet. I think I'm 40 minutes early, so I should be able to take a snoozer. Beautiful place to take a nap. Let's get it. Shout out Busa for putting this shit together, dude. That was above and beyond expectations. Well, what city is this? St. Charles? Yeah. We're in St. Charles.
How do you like the race star?
It's my wife's helmet. Alright, game on. Shout out these homies for coming out. It's dope as shit. Anyway, it's raining out here in St. Louis. Pretty poopy day to ride, but we got some homies. We're gonna get out of the rain. We'll hit it a bit. Dude, the St. Louis crew. The true crew right here. Sun, rain, or shine, or sleet, or snow. These dudes are ripping, you know it. It is glass, boy. It's glass. You could just like run your foot across it. Alright, we're in business, boy. We in business. Holy St. Louis. Man, you gotta be so careful in this shit. Dude, my man's got a... Dude, that color is nice. I'm so pissed, dude. We got a dent in the Tessie. It's the smallest little dent and it just pisses me off. Like, I want it fixed. Even though it just like looks like maybe like one little hail ball hit it. You know what I mean? I noticed immediately though, dude. Obviously. Oh, this car is struggling in the friggin' frackin'. Oh. Keeping your car clean in this is impossible. I mean, the cars look good though when it rains. It really rains, but you should wipe them down right after, I guess. God, the dent. Oh, it's killing me. The dent. No. Now we gotta keep it forever. No. The battery's not gonna last forever. No. Dude, that Busa, you gotta be careful of that Busa in the rain, boy. That's one of the craziest bikes. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. That Busa sounds good. Gotta get a shoot with the boots. This is definitely some nasty ass weather, but I think we're gonna get out of it here soon. Oh god, is it pouring up here? It's way too slick. It's actually slick. Fuck. The second we get out of this, dude, we're gonna be stoked, boy. Homies are gonna want to roll with because it's better weather towards us. No one ever wants to ride back into the... Oh my god, this is glass. This is riding on glass, dude. Actually glass. Like, anytime you can run over bumps with your feet and it doesn't hurt, it's glass. This is a glass. Ooh, ooh, they're starting to hurt. Not really though. Oh, there it is. I see the light at the end of the tunnel, boys. I see it. I really do. Jesus. Oh, we're about to get out into the nice warm weather, baby. Come on. See, I guess living in the Midwest is dope because you have a very large warm-up time in the nasty-ass weather. You can ride out into better weather, and there's always like this promised land, you know, this exciting area where you can go ride in the greener pastures. It's right up there, dude, right up there. It's a perfect weather, bro. Dude, homeboy's got a very comfortable setup. I mean, homeboy also has a very nice, comfortable setup, dude. Those Busas are comfy. We're about to get out into some good shit, boy. Kawasaki homies. They're out here for the Kawasaki green blood. Little did I know it was a setup. Oh, a setup. It was all set up. Oh, Busa got me out of St. Louis, bro. I mean, it's getting back to getting a little in the right gear. I could tell. I was in the wrong gear too, but this auto flipper is back to working. H2 is ridiculous. Let's not do that again. No more of that. Holy shit. Yeah, no more of that. That was intense. Yeah, it's way too slick. Woo! Wait. Yeah. That was a great ride. I'm really sorry the audio didn't record on the other ride. I'm pretty pissed about it, but footage is still dope. Oh my god! That Busa, dude. The Busas pull hardcore, but they don't pull like a H2, dude. Actually, turbo Busas probably pull somewhat similar. It's like a turbo Busa pulls like all the way through, and whereas like an H2 is like, dude, when that supercharger full boost kicks in, it's going down. Huge shout out Mike and Adam for coming along. I got a journey ahead of me. Jesus Christ! Holy shit! Yeah, back to gear 3. Oh my god, dude, that lunge is insane. Sometimes it lunges like a foot, dude. I kind of get it. Like, I shouldn't use the quick shift down if I'm unless I'm pressing it, and like you really don't want to quick shift down, auto flip down 3 gears. You know, at most 2. You hear that traction control kicking in. Alright, let's get the out of this shit.